guys? It's your girl Matt Cox with Maccouture Crafting. Here is another Notions for Notion video. This one is super simple. It's something that you're gonna need. It's a basic. It's one of those things that is basic. And I think I'm gonna categorize these as basic and then things you might want to splurge on. This is a basic. This is something that you need. We all need them. It's a rotary cutter. If you ever get a chance to listen to Emily Watts learn about quilting, I want to say she was cutting with scissors when she didn't have to. She has a great story. But anyway, I digress. Rotary cutters. Out of all the rotary cutters out there, and I still haven't opened up my Martelli, so maybe my Martelli beats this one. People who use Martelli's rotary cutter absolutely swear by it. They love it. They're obsessed. But my rotary cutter is none other than the most simple one ever. And I honestly don't want any others for anything other than the way that they look. So the Martelli one is cool, and I own all the sizes, and I should probably open them up and figure them out. And then my girlfriend's got one that's all black with a black blade. I have to have it. There's no reason. I might never use it, but I have to have it. I have Tulas. I don't use it. The black one with the black blade, though, it's aggressive. It looks like some amazing quilts are going to come from that, guys. It's something special about that one. I'm going to get it. There's no getting around that. But the original Olfa with no frills is my jam. If you watch my videos, you will see that that's the only one I grab. I have others. I have it in a 45. I have it in a 60. You should have all the sizes, including the small one. So the smallest one and the largest one are splurges, but that 45, it's just a basic. I think you guys should have it. It's really a nice one. There's nothing super ergonomic about it. It's just what I use. It's my favorite rotary cutter, and I figured I should tell you guys about it. All right, I will catch you guys on my next one. Bye-bye.